we're going to do a reading for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. I want to thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate you. All right, let's get started. What does Libra need to know? 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 Okay. Bottom of the deck, Queen of Swords. That's you. So looking at something logically, possibly. Communicating, cutting something off. Trusting your logic. You've been resting, really thinking about what it is that you find makes you happy, feel fulfilled. What makes you feel like celebrating. There might be a group of people that you want to connect with or reconnect with. But it looks like you're looking to take some action. All right, let's clarify and then we'll get you guys some advice. All right. The Empress, that's also you, and Taurus. That is divine feminine. It is birthing new things, creating things, bringing things to life, flourishing, having abundance, attracting abundance. To clarify the Four of Swords, we have the Knight of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Seven of Cups. You're ready to move forward. And the universe is saying it's time for you to do this. And you know you have so many options. And some things may not be for you that once were. But it looks like you're ready to step into something that brings you joy and excitement. To clarify the Sun, we have the Queen of Wands, the Seven of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. You may have been dealing with an Aries. There may be a situation where someone was sneaking with someone, being sneaky with someone outside of the situation. This is what you thought was your happiness. There could also be a situation where maybe someone was acting out of ego and hiding things, and it left them feeling empty. To clarify the Three of Cups, we have Strength, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. So it looks like this is something that you've put a lot of time into. Something that sort of has become a main pillar in your life. So it's going to take some strength. It does seem like there was a third-party situation. To clarify the Two of Wands, we have the Three of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and the Emperor. So you may have been waiting for someone to stand up for something. And they may have showed up instead with ego being defensive. But it looks like you're ready to move forward. To clarify the Queen of Swords at the bottom of the deck, we have the King of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands. You know that there's someone out there that is going to be on the same vibration as you, the King and Queen of Swords, who will reciprocate. Someone that you can win together, that isn't going to be stuck in their ego. All right, let's get you some advice. Advice for Libra, please. Advice for Libra. Detach at the bottom of the deck. Okay, your cards. We have receive, focus, soar, change, miracles, and open up. There's something that you need to detach from. You really need to take a step back, shift your focus away from, what isn't serving you. Really look at the bigger picture. What do you want to receive? What do you want in your life? Let your walls down, and you need to be honest about that so that you can receive it and make the changes that are necessary. All right, I hope this reading helped. I want to thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.